looks like with the Stillen intake scoop that I got from my Silverado. I like it. I think it turned out really nice. It looks a lot better than stock for sure. But my only issue with this is that some of these holes didn't line up, so I had to re-drill where the holes were to make to put these little pieces right back in there. But other than that, it looks good. And then another thing that I would recommend, that if you guys are going to do this too, when you remove this rubber piece from the stock one, I'd be really careful. I was trying to be careful, but it actually ended up tearing on me right there. So that sucks. But yeah, there's that. And then yeah, but I think it looks pretty nice. I know it's not like, I know there's like a newer version too, because people were having an issue before with these little flaps for the air that are these grill flaps when they'd open and close. Sometimes I know some people are having issues that it'd be hitting, so it'd be making this nasty noise, but mine hasn't done that at all. I've been driving around with it for a few weeks now. Is there a difference? I'm not 100% sure, to tell you the truth, but if it is actually getting air, cold air better, well, I'm okay with that. And then the other thing was the mass airflow sensor. I also replaced it for the jet performance one. Same thing. I'm not too sure if it actually made a big difference. I can't tell, but I mean, if it helps, right? But yeah, I don't have an issue with neither one. But like I said, just this one, the worst part is I have to re-drill some of these holes, so these little holders or bracket or whatever the hell they call it right now can go right back in. Other than that, I mean, like I said, I like it.